Now, there are 8 questions that Plant and Equipment Wellness is trying to develop answers for. There are economic factors. Is the consequence of failure a problem? If it is acceptable to fail, nobody's going to change their mind. If it isn't acceptable to fail, then I have to solve that particular problem. If failure is acceptable, then how many failures can I have? Now, this machine that goes down, can I afford the machine to go down once a month, or once a year, or once every 10 years? Because once a month is different to maintain to once a year to once every 10 years. Once every 10 years, different way to look at the world, totally different way. But I've got to know that at the beginning. Again, we're down now to physics of failure. If we're going to work at the parts level, then what parts are overstressed and how will that destroy the microstructure? How can it be fatigued? How can it be degraded? What are the activities that we are doing to this machine that we are destroying it in doing those activities? Because I've got to stop those. Or if I can't stop them, I've got to minimise their impact very, very low. And if they're always going to be there, then that affects what spares I carry. It affects whether I have a standby pump. It affects the skills I need in my guys to repair things quickly in the right way. So this issue of physics of failure is vital in deciding what we're going to do and how we're going to tackle those things. Of course, we have human beings, the hardest part of the equation to address. Can human error lead to a failure? Doesn't matter if it does. If it doesn't, leave it alone. If it does matter, if human error cannot be allowed, if our process diagram says, gee, if that bearing's installed incorrectly, or with the wrong grease, or installed back to the front, now these things become important. Now I've got to control those things. So the questions are to bring to the surface what really is important to put in this process we're designing and building to guarantee reliability. So yeah, the 8 questions become drivers of finding the right answers.